Minimalism versus maximalism. This is one of the biggest design debates in the interior world. On one side, we have minimalism, known for its sleek, clutter-free aesthetic, where every piece has a purpose. It's a style that many find calming and elegant. On the other side, there's maximalism, a bold and expressive approach that celebrates color, texture, and personality. Maximalist spaces feel lived in, artistic, and full of stories. So, which one is truly better? Let's get started. Let's start with minimalism. This design philosophy isn't just about aesthetics, it's a way of life. Inspired by principles of simplicity and functionality, minimalism focuses on removing excess and keeping only the essentials. You'll often see neutral color palettes, whites, beiges, and grays dominate. Clean lines and open spaces. Furniture is sleek and uncluttered. High quality but fewer items. The focus is on quality over quantity. Minimalist interiors are known for their tranquil and timeless feel. There's an emphasis on functionality. Every piece of furniture, every decor item serves a purpose. Why do people love minimalism? For many, minimalism is more than just an aesthetic. It's about reducing stress. In a world full of distractions, having a clutter-free home can create a sense of peace. It's also practical. Less stuff means less cleaning and maintenance. Pros of minimalism: reduces clutter and stress. Fewer items mean less mess. Timeless appeal: it doesn't go out of style. Easier to clean and maintain. No excessive decor to dust. Creates a sense of calm and organization. Cons of minimalism: some say it feels cold or impersonal, lacking warmth. Can be expensive, since you're prioritizing quality. Each piece might cost more. Not ideal for people who love collecting decor or souvenirs. Now, let's shift to the complete opposite, maximalism. While minimalism strips things down to the essentials, maximalism is about more colors, more textures, more decor, more personality. Maximalist spaces often feature bold, saturated colors, deep blues, fiery reds, emerald greens. Layered patterns and textures, from floral wallpapers to velvet sofas. Eclectic and personal decor, unique art pieces, books, vintage finds, and statement furniture. Maximalism isn't about mess, it's about curated chaos. It's a style that encourages people to express themselves freely. No two maximalist homes look alike because each one tells a story about the person living in it. Why do people love maximalism? For those who see their home as an extension of their personality, maximalism is a dream. It's fun, expressive, and cozy. There's always something new to discover in a well-designed maximalist space. Pros of maximalism: full of character and individuality. No cookie-cutter look. Encourages creativity. Your space becomes a true reflection of you. Feels warm and inviting, full of visual interest and storytelling. Cons of maximalism: can feel overwhelming or cluttered if not done well. More maintenance. More decor means more dusting and organizing. Finding a cohesive balance between different pieces can be tricky. So, who wins this fight? Well, there's no single answer. It all depends on your personality, lifestyle, and daily habits. If you thrive in clean, uncluttered spaces and love a sense of calm, minimalism might be your perfect match. But if you enjoy expressing your creativity through design, love collecting meaningful pieces, and don't mind a more layered look, maximalism could be for you. A question for you: Are you Team Minimalism or Team Maximalism? Drop a comment below and tell us why. Here's the secret. You don't have to choose just one. You can blend minimalism and maximalism to create a balanced and unique look. For example, use a minimalist color palette but add bold statement decor like art or textured rugs. Stick to clean-lined furniture, but incorporate layered textiles and patterns. Keep clutter to a minimum, but make sure the pieces you feel meaningful and expressive. This mix is often called Minimalist, a minimalist foundation with luxurious maximalist touches. Whether you're drawn to minimalism or maximalism, you don't need a massive budget to bring these styles into your home. Many home decor stores offer accessible pieces to help you achieve your desired look. For a minimalist space, opt for sleek, neutral-toned furniture, floating shelves, and abstract wall art in muted colors. Look for functional pieces with clean lines, like Scandinavian-inspired chairs or simple ceramic bases. If you love maximalism, explore bold patterned rugs, ornate mirrors, and statement lighting. Vintage-style furniture, colorful velvet sofas, and eclectic gallery walls with unique artwork can transform your space into a personality-filled haven. Mixing textures and layering decor is key. So, where do you stand in the minimalism versus maximalism debate? Do you love the calm simplicity of minimalism or the bold energy of maximalism? Or maybe you prefer a mix of both? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more design inspiration from space and place smart ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.